Try natin yung speed test itong dito Wi-Fi na prepaid Wi-Fi ni dito. So yung modem namin is nasa taas and ito namang laptop ko guys is nasa baba. As you can see, abot naman siya guys. So ayan, dito Wi-Fi. Ayan na, wala akong babaguhin dyan na. So i-go na natin. So, for the download speed, ganyan lang siya kababa. 3 Mbps lang siya. And then, for the upload speed naman, it's 6 Mbps lang. As you can see, ayan siya guys. So, dito, telecommunity. So, ito guys yung modem na niloloadan nyo pa. Hindi siya yung postpaid na babayaran nyo monthly. So, ayan siya guys. As you can see, sabi dito, browsing quality average. Like, good siya guys for like normal browsing. Like, mag-Facebook kayo, TikTok. For gaming naman, average lang din. Tinry ito gamitin ng husband ko sa games niya sa computer. Pero sabi niya, may times daw na sobrang bilis. And then, may times naman na ang bagal. For the streaming quality, average lang din. So, hindi siya yung like totally na, alam mo yun, yung hindi na puputol-putol. There are times na nag-loading yung video or lumalabo yung quality niya. Tapos, ito naman, video call quality, average lang din. So, I think yung dito Wi-Fi guys na prepaid, it's good for girlies or people na living alone. Or kaya naman dalawa lang kayo sa bahay, tapos hindi naman kayo nag-heavy gaming or hindi naman kayo naka-work from home setup.